welcome back again to my new vlog, New Year vlog. I have my brown or mocha brown nails for the theme color of the year. Today is Saturday. From last Saturday, me and my friend Zell with her daughter, magkikita kami ngayon sa city. And bago ako umalis, iligpit ko muna tong mga nahugasan ko from last night. Para pag uwi ko mamaya kako hindi ko na to iintindihin. Kaya pinagliligpit ko na muna to. Konti lang naman yung mga na dry dishes kasi ako lang madalas kumakain tsaka gumagamit ng mga kitchen stuff. So with this vlog video guys, this is all about how our new year went and masaya, sobrang saya. Nagpunta kami sa city, you'll see. And abangan nyo guys, keep watching. Good morning guys, Sunday na nga pala ito, Sunday morning. Sunday morning from last week. Magsasaing tayo ng rice. Need natin magsaing ng rice. Dahil wala tayong sinain. Ready natin ito para bukas lunch. Once working. Aking rice cooker. You have to move for now. I need my rice cooker. We're cooking like this. Doorbell nga pala na chime niyan guys. Diyan na lang siya. Hindi naman na ito punasan. Kasi pag hindi na punasan maano. May basa sa ilalim ng ating rice cooker. Ganito nga pala ginagawa ko guys. Nagsasaing na ako a day before. Sabi kasi less carbs daw yun to eat the day after. I have shrimp here. Itatry na natin gawin ang ating menu from HelloFresh. Ayan. Ito daw ang gagawin. So, basahin natin yan and yung meal kit na tinatawag nila. Check natin kung paano gagawin. Cucumber and carrots. What's this? Oh, the couscous. Okay. nila sa menu na suggested, walang rice. Pero syempre ako, kakain akong rice. Okay lang naman. Roast for 25 minutes, it says. Let's get our this one. Preheat. Put the roasted veggies over my couscous, but I prefer my spinach to be cooked together with the prawn. Mabango, masaya, sana masarap din. My first HelloFresh recipe done. Kaya pala wala ng rice kasi may couscous. So sinong kakain ng rice ko ngayon? OMG, bukas na lang. So, dapat meron yan siyang feta cheese and Greek style yogurt. So, hindi ko na siya ginawang ganon. Because I wanted to eat this way. Shrimp, spinach, and then a couscous with my fried veggies. And it turns out so yummy. Yummy, yum. Kain tayo. Ang sarap niya. Ito palang couscous ang pang-replace ng rice. Harap. Menu number 2. And this is beef steak with corn cob and then salad on the side. Luto na ang ating beef. Rest muna for a few minutes. And then here's our green mix salad. Lagyan natin ng sesame dressing. Masarap pala yung dressing na to. Hanapin ko nga to sa Coles para gawa akong sarili kong salad next time. Dito sa HelloFresh, naka-measure na yung mga binibigay nila. Sinabing 1 packet, so ibubuhos mo na lahat. Very easy tong mga recipe nila. Pero tawag neto, may enhance talaga yung cooking skills mo. Mix lang dito sa malaking bowl. Pinalitan ko yung bowl ko at maliit kanina eh. Magkasama na yung cucumber, green apple, and then yung mixed salad leaves lang. With the sesame dressing. Ang sarap-sarap niyan, guys. While resting diyan sa side yung beef. Sabi kasi pagka remove daw from frying pan ng beef, rest daw muna siya diyan bago i-slice ng very, very thin. Detailed naman yung recipe na binibigay nila in a form of cards. So, madali lang ang intindihin. Tikman natin. Basta masarap siya, guys. Sarap ng lasa niya. Done and ready. Let's see how it goes. Mana?
bad because she smokes so much crack.
Happy New Year. Done. This is called Prosperity Bowl, and I'm wishing everyone a Happy New Year. You know the Ming Ming? What's the name? Twinkle. Twinkle, little star. Bye bye. Shush, shush, shush. Your color is a color of.
Eve is alcohol free. Let's keep it safe. Penalties to apply.
It says Happy New Year. Wow! Like it's more pretty in real than in videos. Whoa! Happy New Year! Whoa! It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Everywhere is about. Whoa! Wow!
That was cool.
Yes. Whoa! I don't. Wow! And now remove the Christmas tree. See you next year, my Christmas tree.